Welcome to the Appirio CloudSync Admin Guide for User Management. In this guide, we'll be covering two topics: providing new users with access to Appirio CloudSync, and removing inactive users to make their licenses available for other users. Let's get started with providing new users with access to Appirio CloudSync. For Enterprise and Unlimited Edition Salesforce users, access to Appirio CloudSync is provided on a profile level. This means that any user who has been assigned a profile with access to the application will be able to create a new connection and set up new syncs. If you are using Group or Professional Edition of Salesforce, these steps will not apply to you and your users should already have access to the application. To provide access to Appirio CloudSync for a new profile, please do the following. First, click on your name in the upper right-hand corner of Salesforce and click on Setup. Next, click on the arrow next to Manage Users under the Administration Setup menu and select Profiles. Click on a profile that requires access to Appirio CloudSync and click Edit on the following page. Under Custom App Settings, check the box to make Appirio CloudSync visible. Next, scroll to the Custom Tab Settings section and mark Appirio CloudSync as default on. Save the profile and you're all set. Users who have been assigned this profile can now access the application. Next, let's discuss removing inactive users to make their licenses available for other users. Occasionally, users will no longer require access to Appirio CloudSync and should be removed to allow access for other users. Removing a user takes two steps: deleting all syncs a user may have and revoking the deactivated user's authentication tokens. If possible, these steps should be taken by the user themselves, or while logged in as the user if you're the system administrator. If neither of these options are available, please email support@appirio.com. Please include the user's salesforce.com username in the email. As a system administrator, I have access to the user's drop-down menu. As you can see, Alexi has not had an active sync in quite some time. After speaking with him, he has informed me that he no longer requires access to the application and would like to make his license available to someone else in the company. Alexi has granted me access to log in as him in Salesforce, so let's go through the steps of removing him as a CloudSync user. First, I will need to delete all syncs on Alexi's My Sync page. Once this is done, I will need to click on the My Setup button. Now that I'm on the My Setup screen, I can click on Revoke next to both Salesforce and Google Authorization, and click OK on the pop-up warnings that appear. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or have any trouble following these steps, please contact Appirio support by emailing support@appirio.com. Thank you for your time and have a great day.